Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to download pictures from Pinterest on your Android device, the process is really simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Pinterest app and find the picture you want to download. Once you've found it, tap on the image to open it in full view. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a three-dot menu. Tap on it to bring up more options. From there, select Download Image to save it directly to your device. If this is your first time downloading from Pinterest, your phone may ask for storage access permissions. Simply allow access, and the image will be saved to your device without any issues. Once it's downloaded, open your Gallery or Photos app, and you'll find the image ready to use, and that's it. Now you know how to download pictures from Pinterest on Android quickly and easily. If this video helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.